Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again, Reps Okubo, and if you are just joining me for the first time, you are so welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so very much for coming back again. So guys, before we go on, I just want to apologize for not being around this week. Yes, I promise that every 2 days I'll be giving you different tips on different skincare tricks that you can use for your skincare routine. Yeah, but for now, I'm having a training which I am currently on. Yes, as a skincare formulator, you need to keep growing and keep growing, and keep learning new things. Okay, so I can always come back and dish out a lot of beautiful recipes for you guys. Okay, so today we are going to be talking about this amazing Snow White lotion, guys. This lotion is super dope. Yes, it is very good for the skin. It glows the skin, it nourishes the skin, it gives you this beautiful look. Okay, and also it has a lot of antioxidants, a lot of beautiful and nourishing properties for your skin. Okay, so if this is what you are looking for on this channel today, kindly hit the red subscribe button just by your right, like this video, share this video, turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Okay, so you know how we do it on this channel. Get a pen and paper and let's write down the recipe. Welcome beautiful ladies. Like I said, today we are going to be making this Snow White lotion, guys. This particular base that we are going to be using for this product, I don't think it is well known. Yes, I don't think it is well known, but the reviews for this particular product, the reviews I've got for this product, because I also sell, you all know I sell these products, and the reviews I have been getting from this particular product pushed me to say, okay, let me make a video, let me make a recipe for you guys from this particular lotion. Guys, this lotion, it gives a very good effect on the skin. It's not a popular lotion actually, but it is very effective. This particular lotion softens the skin. It is actually also a treatment lotion. It's very good for the skin. It treats a lot of things, especially for people who have sunburn, for people who have chemical burns. Okay, you've gotten chemical burns on your skin, like maybe you used a wrong product on your skin and it got burnt, and all that. So it's going to be treating your skin as well as whitening up your skin. Okay, so guys, this particular lotion is known as the SOS lotion, guys. This lotion is so good. It gives a natural glow. It is very good on your skin. So guys, this particular SOS lotion, this is what it looks like. It is a very good lotion you can use. You can actually use it as it is, but if you want more from it, I will be teaching you how you can get more from it. Okay, so but there are some people who might say, okay, I don't want to go so white. Okay, you can actually reduce on its own. It whitens. Okay, it might not give the Snow White whitening that you want, but on its own it whitens. And for those who say, okay, I do not want to whiten up my skin, what can I do with this product? You can simply add a little bit of glycerin to it, or you can add shea butter. Okay, you can add a bit of shea butter to it, whichever way you are good to go to use this particular product. Okay, so guys, let's move on to how you can premix this particular lotion. You just need to take, it's not a large container. Okay, it's not a large bottle, it's just, I think, 250 ml of it, and you just turn everything into a clean sterilized bowl. Okay, with your gloved covered hands. Then you add 10 ml of almond oil. Add your almond oil, 10 ml, just 10 ml will do. Then you add your miracle powder, just a little pinch of it will do. You all know what miracle powder is. I just newly found out this frutamine powder. It's just like miracle powder, a bit smaller than miracle powder. From what I heard, it is better off than miracle powder. Whichever one you get, you can go with your miracle powder, or you can go with this frutamine powder. Okay, they are all treatment powders that you can use for your product. Okay, so after that we are going to be adding a bit of whitening concentrate to this particular recipe. Okay, we are going to be adding the glucose C concentrate. Okay, we are going to be just adding 15 ml of that into this particular mix. We always make sure that you are mixing your product very well, okay, so that they can all incorporate very well. Then you go in with your alpha arbutin whitening powder. The alpha arbutin whitening powder, we're just going to be using 2.5 gram. Yes, 2.5 gram into this particular mix. Make sure that as you are adding whatever you are adding, you are actually mixing it very well. Okay, so after mixing this alpha arbutin into it, last but certainly not the least, we are going to be adding an anti-reaction property into this mix. Okay, so we do not have any issues when we are using this particular product, guys. This recipe is dope. Okay, it is super effective. It's going to whiten you. So if you know you do not want to whiten up your skin, guys, please, you know what I said, make sure, and if you know you don't want to whiten up your skin and you want to use this particular product, you just need to add glycerin. Okay, glycerin, or you add your rose water to it and mix very well. It could be like probably half of it. Okay, half of the bottle, that's like 125 ml of it. Then you go in with your rose water, or you go in with your glycerin, whichever you have available, into that lotion. Mix very well and use your product. It is going to work effective on your skin without any issues. Okay, but if you know you want to whiten up your skin, this recipe I am dropping, guys, is for you. Okay, so just go in with that. Then you add your Shiny Perfect Legs. Remember that we need to always have an anti-reaction properties in every whitening product that we are using. Just add your Shiny Perfect Legs, or any anti-reaction property that you have available at your disposal. Just add 15 ml of that and you are good to go. Make sure you are blending very well, because all need to incorporate very well, especially when you are adding anything like rose water, or you're adding any oil. You need to blend very well so that they can mix up very well. Okay, so guys, then after mixing this, you can package it into your container and use. Okay, it is very effective, guys. This particular recipe is going to whiten you. It's going to so whiten your skin, guys. So if this topic was educative, please, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button just by your right, like this video, share this video, turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Okay, so guys, thank you so very much for watching. I would definitely be giving you guys back-to-back very good recipes that you can use on your skin. Like I always say, I am a fan of a beautiful glowing skin, and that's what I want for you guys. So if you are enjoying my topic, or if this channel has been educative, if otherwise been watching, please subscribe. It is absolutely free. That's the only way you can support your girl. Okay, so thank you so very much for watching. You can definitely leave your comments in the comment section. I will always reply your messages. Thank you so very much for watching, and God bless you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.